Okay, quick backstory. I've been wading through the crypto mining space for several years at this point, and honestly, at this stage, it's basically become second nature for me to just, constantly be hunting down new platforms, new projects, poking around to see what actually holds up under pressure. And here's the uncomfortable truth. The space is, it's pretty grim right now, genuinely. Like, you could be searching on Google, falling down a YouTube rabbit hole at 2 in the morning, bouncing around Reddit, lurking in crypto forums, and the sheer volume of predatory junk being served up is, it's kind of staggering, actually. Like, the majority of it is just, designed to take your money. So just please be smart about what you engage with. But okay, so I've been running this cloud mining app called solidhash through the ringer for the past couple months, and today I'm literally just going to crack it open on screen and show you the whole thing, what cloud mining is, how the process actually works. Stick around. Okay, so the very first thing here, I'm clicking Start Mining Now right up here. Good. Okay, so now it's presenting me with the coin options. I'm locking in Bitcoin for today, though worth flagging that this platform runs pretty much the full spectrum. Ethereum, Solana, BNB, everything you'd expect to see. All right, so continue with BTC right here. Nice. So now I need to get my wallet address slotted in. Let me just bounce over to Trust Wallet for a second. Okay, got it copied, jumping back over and dropping it in right here. Good, so now we've got these parameters up here, hash rate power and mining speed mode. Okay, so these are controlling how much raw processing capacity gets dedicated to your mining session and the pace at which everything moves. So it's really just about calibrating it to what makes sense for your situation. Okay, and now I'm entering my mining target just here. So this is basically your roadmap, shows your crypto goal, the current dollar equivalent, and an estimated window for getting there. Good, all looks solid. Hitting Start Mining, and nice. Okay, we're moving. Live metrics are all populating right here on the screen, so let's just, sit back for a few minutes and let it run.
And I've successfully mined my crypto, so now ready to transfer it to my wallet. But a key thing here, the platform needs the infrastructure fee covered before they'll process any withdrawal. It's all itemized right here. So here's the power consumption. Here are the computing clusters that handle the job, plus the pool fee and network transaction costs. Okay, I'm copying this payment address. Good. Clicking I've sent the payment and just waiting for the system to verify everything. Awesome. Funds sent to my wallet, so now I'm just waiting to reach my balance. Okay, so, all right, look, I want to take a minute here and share some things that genuinely would have changed my early experience in this space, because some of this stuff I figured out way later than I should have. So the very first thing I now do before touching any platform, I go look for their actual blockchain footprint, like pull up Etherscan, pull up whatever block explorer fits the coin, and just, verify that real transactions are actually happening. Legitimate mining leaves a traceable on-chain trail. No trail, no dice.
Also, something that burned me personally once, I never thought to check domain age. There are free Whois tools that'll tell you exactly when a site was registered. And if a platform is out here claiming a long-established track record, but their domain is 6 months old, yeah, nice. That's a pretty clean answer right there. Okay, so link to solidhash is pinned in the comments and sitting in the description if you want to go explore it yourself. And if you've been through your own cloud mining experience, whether it went great or completely sideways, I want to hear about it in the comments. I go through everything, and it genuinely helps people in this community make smarter calls. Thanks for watching.